Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can make a text-to-speech or the text that can speak by itself with TikTok application. So you just need to open the TikTok applications right now, and then you just need to create a new content by tapping this plus button, and you can just start to record some video here. Let's just record some video. Perfect. Now I already got the video. Now tap into this checklist button. You just need to remove the music first and tap into the text here. And then you just need to type the text that you want to add. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this icon. Now you just
Silent in pace.
The voice that you want to use.
Silent in pace.
Silent in pace.
Silent in pace.
Silent in pace.
And now you just need to go tap done.
Silent in pace.
Now the text already gave a voice by itself. So that's for today's tutorial, guys.
Silent
I hope you
in
enjoyed
pace.
this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.